All right, guys, we're gonna crank up the pot. You always want to have your blowtorch or your ignition going first, okay? Because when you turn this on, it's going to create gas on the inside of here, and it's going to cause a mini explosion. So as soon as you turn it on, you want to light it, okay? So you're going to turn the gas on, and then you're going to light it. See that? How easy that was? All right. So basically, I don't use any temperature gauges. I use, the poor man's way of doing things. I use my fingers. I use my ears. And I've been doing this about 10 years with a lot of trial and error. So basically, I can tell by the sound of it how much heat I'm going to need. Okay, now this is real low. Let's see if you can hear this. That's real low. That's a little bit too low. So you can turn it all the way up. Okay, this is only from a 10 pound. I'm gonna turn it down. You see how I went down low? It's still on. Okay, now we're going up. Okay, that's your this is your 10 psi regular. So this is a regular Bayou Classic. You go down and you go up. Basically, you want to keep an extra one of these around. Okay, because sometimes these things break. Nothing is 100% anymore. I usually keep about 2 of these around. Okay, and you want to crank the heat up a little bit, and I'll put a top on it. I'm gonna put the cast iron top on it. Let me do that now. All right, now it's not pretty around here. The purpose of these videos is not to look cute or to look pretty. Okay, is to keep you guys safe and to keep me safe as well. Okay, because with the coronavirus going around, everybody's on lockdown, so I'm pretty sure guys gonna want to make lead, and they're gonna want to learn how to make lead. And I mean, we at home with nothing to do, so we're gonna make us some sinkers and some bullets. So when this thing is all over, we'll be good to go. Okay. So here's my this is the pot I recommend. It's I got this thing from Academy. I paid about $40 for the setup. Okay, this is the best deal going. This thing holds 250 pounds of lead. Get that, guys? 250 for $40. I paid $40 for this pot. Okay, the burner cost me about another 40 bucks or 80 bucks. No, I'll say about 80 bucks for the burner setup. And I got a welder to cut the 50-gallon drum. I got another drum over here. So just in case this one goes out, I got another one ready to go. And I also have one in my tool shed. So you get your flame up good and hot. Okay, you want to put a top on it because it'll hold the heat and it'll cook a little faster. Okay, and it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to get everything all melted down. So we're gonna take a break, get something to eat, and we'll be right back. Don't forget to hit that like button, okay? Thumbs up, baby. Hit the like and subscribe button, you heard me? All right, guys. It's been about an hour. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean the pot up. As you can hear it, it's on, it has good flame. Okay, don't touch this sucker with your bare hands. That sucker is piping hot. Okay, get your glove or a towel. Pick it up. All right, you put it on the side. As you can see, I have my glasses and my respirator on. We're gonna use a fan to blow the fumes and the smoke and dust away from us. Okay, and then we're gonna start the cleaning process. So you're gonna take your street. Got a trash can, see that? Alright, I cleaned all the trash off top. There's still a little bit of trash on the inside, so yeah, I'm gonna take my needle nose and get my little strainer. I paid $1 for this. Okay, this is the best dollar investment I ever made in my life. I had this thing about 9 years, 9 years, something like that. And basically, be careful, you don't want to just throw it in there because it's gonna pop a little bit. Okay, so you want to just ease it in there. Then you want to scrape around the side and get all that trash out of it. You know, let it drip. Don't even touch this. All right. Looks like a nice clean pot of lead, right? Wrong. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna ease this down in there. All right, let me cut my fan on. It's getting hot. Okay. Okay, you want to scrape around the edges. See how I'm scraping? Around the side. Now get all the trash. And then you go to the bottom. All right, hit the pause button for a minute and be right back. All right, guys, I finished. I turned the pot down a little bit. I basically, after you clean it, you want to flux it. Fluxing is basically a process of getting a lot of the impurities out the lead. I'm not going to do a video on fluxing. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about fluxing. You can use candle wax, you can use wood chips, you can use fluxing agents that you buy. I got my own way of fluxing lead, and it comes out pretty clean. That's one thing I'm not going to give away because I do sell lead. So I'm not going to show you anything of how I flux the lead. Okay, but I did turn the temperature down a little bit. But that's 200 pounds of clean lead. Look how nice and clean it is. And we did it all safe. We wore our respirator, we wore our safety goggles. 250 pounds, I'm sorry. It didn't blow up on us. And we used water pipe, and it had moisture on the inside. So we did a pretty good job. Got everything going. It's getting late. The sun's going down, so my camera's not going to work too well. So I'll get to the making sinkers tomorrow. I'll do another video series tomorrow on how to make sinkers. I just want to thank you guys for watching the videos. I have a whole lot more videos to come. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys got some feedback or opinion, just leave it in the comments. You know, I'll answer them, and we can strike up a discussion or a debate. Whoever wants to debate, we can go there too. I'm ready. Okay, but basically this video series is, you know, it's for safety. You know, to help guys who don't know about how to do this. A lot of guys, they want to learn how to make sinkers. Man, I want to make sinkers. I want to learn, you know, how to make my own bullets. We want you to save money. Yeah, we don't want you to go to the store and pay $10 a pound for fishing weights. Okay, or $10 a pound for bullets. Okay, you can make your own. I mean, if you got to come up front with some money, yeah. Okay, it's going to be initial investment. Okay, but in the long run, you're going to save you some money. Okay, and what I don't want you guys to get injured. Because when I first started making, okay, they had two people that showed me how to make lead. Okay, one, his name is Brian. Okay, he passed away. He showed me how to make sinkers. He fell in a manhole and he split his head open, and he was in a coma for about a month, and he finally died. And another guy is Jim. Jim is from Kentucky. He came down here after Hurricane Katrina to work, and I met him at the fishing pier, and Jim was making his own sinkers. So Jim showed me the process on how to make sinkers, and I took it to another level. But I want to thank Jim, and I want to thank Brian. Rest in peace, B. You heard me? On how to make these sinkers. But when I first started, I mean, with the melting process, I really didn't have, nobody really showed me. Jim sure gave me a few pointers, but you learn from trial and error, and I didn't have a respirator. I didn't use goggles, and I was doing it in an enclosed environment, in a trailer. You never want to do this in an enclosed environment, and I got sick and I passed out, and my dogs were sitting there with their paws over their nose, and I should have known I was doing something wrong. If my dog can smell the fumes, okay, my dogs are telling me, hey, this is not safe, dude. You got to tighten up. And I didn't do that, and I passed out. I could have killed myself. So basically, I want to, just share some information on safety tips and how to do things my way. I'm not saying my way is the best way, but, just show people the way I do things. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace!